Hi everyone. Today I am going to prepare stir-fried vegetables. For this I have red bell pepper, broccoli, carrot, yellow bell pepper, baby corn, capsicum, purple cabbage, chili, sliced onion, garlic, salt, garam masala powder, red chili powder and spring onions for garnish. First of all, I am going to heat some oil in a pan and add garlic and green chili and saute it for a couple of seconds. Next, I am going to add sliced onions and saute them until they turn translucent. We are not going to brown the onions here. Once the onions have turned translucent, we are going to start adding the vegetables. We are going to add the vegetables in order of their cooking time. So here I have added baby corn, next I am going to add some carrots, saute it well. Once the baby corn and carrots have fried, I am going to add broccoli and all the remaining vegetables. Red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper and purple cabbage. Now I am going to mix it up well and let the vegetables fry. You can use any vegetables of your choice. Fry it for about 5 minutes. Lastly, I am going to add capsicum. Once the vegetables have fried, I am going to add salt, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and some freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything well until all the vegetables have cooked with the spices. Once the vegetables have fried up nicely, I am going to cover and cook it for about 7 to 8 minutes. Now, as you can see, the vegetables have cooked up nicely. Lastly, I am going to top it up with some spring onion greens and it is ready to serve.